2025 Bentley Flying Spur revealed with 771 horsepower hybrid V8 and refined bumper. The luxury sedan adds Bentley's ultra-performance hybrid powertrain and revises the wheels, front bumper and grille styling.
That by a little bit.
Show off. Damon?
Martin?
What are you doing here? Hello, Leah. Right, you two, get off my track.
The interior adds a new diamond quilt pattern for the seats, while the 3D diamond height now stretches to the doors and pillars. The 2025 Bentley Flying Spur replaces the car's W12 engine with the same plug-in hybrid V8 as the Continental GT, and it makes 771 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. Along with the new engine, Bentley added new wheel options and updated styling for the front bumper and grille. The bumper now takes on a slightly more aggressive look that extends the body panel into the lower fascia. 3 new 22-inch wheel designs round out changes to the styling. According to the automaker, the refreshed Spur can spring from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.3 seconds. Assuming that number is accurate, the new version is even quicker than the last, which managed to launch to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds with both the 8 and 12-cylinder models. First to launch will be the performance-focused Speed model, and it will be available in more than 100 exterior colors, or just about any custom color scheme desired. Pricing has not been announced, but the outgoing model started just under $220,000 and went up from there.